Another day, another story. McDonald's, Grimace shake, meme, explained. The world-famous Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade diaresis kicks off the holiday season for millions of television viewers watching safely at home. McDonald's new milkshake has gone unexpectedly viral on TikTok, inspiring a horror-themed meme in which people pretend to suffer a gruesome fate after tasting the Grimace shake. Videos of teenagers drinking the shake and saying, "Happy birthday Grimace," before succumbing to Lovecraftian madness and purple spattered death are racking up millions of views on TikTok. What is the Grimace shake? The Grimace shake is a limited edition, berry-flavored milkshake that McDonald's describes as inspired by Grimace's iconic color and sweetness. What is the Grimace birthday shake meme? Some splash the milkshake on their clothes and surroundings to look like a crime scene, or rather, a grime scene, dubbing Grimace criminal. What's the point of the joke? Grimace's transformation seems to echo a similar trend across YouTube, TikTok and Roblox, with cute children's mascots often redesigned as grotesque monsters. What was McDonald's response to the Grimace shake meme? Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.